Hey, what's going on YouTube? Garnett here. This is not the type of video I usually make, but I kind of didn't really find the answer looking for it easily on YouTube, so I figured I'd make one. This is a 2022 Ford Transit, and make no mistake, this ain't my first rodeo. I first had this van, which was a Freightliner Sprinter. Then I had this van, which was an 18 Transit 250. Then I switched to this van, which was another 18 Transit 250. Then blam, finally there's this van. So this ain't my first rodeo, but this one's just a little bit different. Now, it says there's a certain easy way to clear your oil reset. Most ways they tell you to do it is turn the key on to the on position, not start, and you need to clear all your messages by hitting the OK button, right? And whatever screen you're usually in, it'll be there, right? So you need to go up to pushing up on the OK button where you see the van and it says settings. You then need to hit the menu button. Now, up until this part, it is all the same, 20 and 21. You come down here, there's a vehicle maintenance. But on this model, there is not a vehicle maintenance. It is not there. You need to click OK, pressing in on information. Then it says your oil life. Then you will need to hold the button, hit reset, and hold the OK button until those bars are complete and you have resetted your oil life. That's just a quick little tutorial about them updating and changing the process on the 22 Transit. I don't know, maybe it's because this model is a 350 that it's different and they put it in a different section. I don't know why you would do that between different, capacity ranges. I don't know. Maybe I want to believe that it's different on the 22 than it is the 21 and the 20. But yeah, that's it. That's all I have for you. Like, comment, subscribe. Deuces.